Hello, welcome to TSF5 software. Today we will learn how to mask an eye pupil in OpenToonz. Here scroll down and click on New Scene. Write your scene name. Check width and height in pixel unit. I will use 24 frames. Click on Create Scene. Let us start with creating a new vector level. First select type and then write name. Click on OK. Go to left toolbar and find Geometric Tools icon. On top select size and then select shape polyline before drawing vector line of eyes. Check the color of the line. Go to Windows and select Palette. Here I will select the color black. You can double-click on title to update its name. OK. Click on the white canvas area. Then again click hold and drag. This will make a handle. I have completed my right eye. Now, use Ctrl+C to copy this right eye. Ctrl+V to paste for left eye. You have to add minus beside 100% in H box and top bar. Now, I will create pupil for the eye. Go to Geometric Tools and then choose Circle in the Shape drop-down. I will add black color to the pupil. You can also rename by double-clicking on the title. Use Bucket Fill tool to fill the color. Fill white color to the right and left eye. I will rename the layer as Pupil. Then I will copy the pupil with Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+V. Align both pupils equally. Now, we will change the anchor point or center of the pupil. Go to Animate tool, choose Center from drop-down. I will adjust the pupil if needed. Once everything is done, go to Windows, select Schematic. This is the window or panel how it will look like. Go to corner of this panel and click on this icon. If you are adding any effects, use FX Schematic. Check above title. We will adjust these boxes to work on. Cool, right-click on Pupil box and insert effects, then matte and matte in. After adding matte and effect, arrange the boxes and connect the boxes in this way. Once you have connected, click on this icon Sub-Camera Preview. Then go to Animate Tool, select Position from above drop-down. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Take care.